You are going to love the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.